Hi friends, good afternoon. I am Sunil here and I welcome you all my YouTube channel Sunil Computers Tech. So today in this video, I will tell you shortcut keys of A to Z, the most important shortcut keys on A to Z using Ctrl. So video will be more effective and very interesting. So if you are not subscribed Sunil Computers Tech, so kindly subscribe Sunil Computer Tech YouTube channel. So that's will very helpful for you, and also that's great motivational for me to make a more video on this regards. So today in this video, the most important shortcut key on A to Z using Control key and how it works using Control key A to Z. I will show you with a demo. Shortcut key A to Z using Control. Okay, Control. The first one will be coming the Control plus A. The what will happen? The some people say oh, pressing the Control and plus arrow mark and you will press the A. Don't click like that. The first you click the Control, then you press the A. At a time you press it. The what will happen? The Control plus A, the select all text. I will show you how to select all text. Already I said the Control A. Whenever you pressing a Control A, what will happen? The select the all the text, whatever the so many text will be there. You want to select it all at a time. You can press Control A. It will select. And next one is the Control B. The Control B, what will be happening? The make the text will be bold. If you want the text will be content will be bold, it will make the shortcut using shortcut key. You can make the text will be bold. In Control plus B, the you selecting the particular word you want the bold that word. You can press it Control B. It makes the bold. If you want all the text will be bold, you can select the all the text. You press it Control B. It will be automatically you get the bold. The bold will happen. What will happen? The more darkness of the word. That purpose they are using the Control B. It is the shortcut key of the. And next shortcut key is Control plus C. The Control plus C key is a copy selected the text. If you want to copy the particular text, or if you copy the all the text, you can use the shortcut key of the your control using a control. Some of people's what are you doing? You can selecting the particular text, you can right click and you can make a copy. Okay, uh, these are using a mouse. If you want to shortcut, you can select a particular text and you press a Control C. It will make a copy the whatever you have selected the particular text. It will be copy that particular text. And next one is the Control D. In Control D, what will happen? The first point is the font option will getting in MS Word, and second point is it is also used for deleting the folder or file, and third point is it is used bookmark the page in internet browser. First we'll go to the first point. The first point is what is there? The font option will get in MS Word. In MS Word, you have put the cursor in particular in a word. The has said the Control D. What will happen? The first point is the font. Wow. However, you pressing the Control and D, it will display the font. Okay. If you make the the font size, the whatever you want, you can select the font. Okay. In MS Word. Already said in second point, it is used to deleting the folder. If you want to delete this two folder and folder 2, you can select the both folder. You can press the Control D. It will be deleted. This is the second point of using the control. D. And third point, I have said Ctrl D. You can bookmark the particular address. What purpose you are using the bookmark of? Once you press in browser Ctrl D, it will display the bookmark conditions. See here, the bookmark. The whatever you want the content, you want to see it once again, you can press in Ctrl D in browser. It will take the bookmark conditions. Once you click on done, it will show the bookmark. And next one is then Ctrl E. The Ctrl E also you are using 2 points. The first one, align selected text or line to the center in MS Word. Okay, this word point will be using in MS Word. And second point, display the address bar in internet browser. We'll go for the first point. The first point, what is there? Align selected text or line to the center. The first point is that align the center. The whatever you have selected, you can press it Ctrl E. It will select the center line of the your particular text. So I was keep in second paragraph. I press it Ctrl E. It will select the center line of alignment. This is the shortcut key of Ctrl E. And second point of Ctrl E, it is used to select the address bar. Whenever you are using the internet, you can press the Ctrl E. It will go to the address bar. Once you press the Ctrl E, it will go to the address bar. And next shortcut key is an Ctrl F. The Ctrl F is open find box. Whenever you are pressing the Ctrl F, it will display the find bar. In find bar, you can type a computer. It will show it the where the computer words will be a display. This is the shortcut key of Ctrl F. You can press it. And next shortcut key is an Ctrl G. Used for go to function in MS Word. The another shortcut key are using in Word, the Ctrl Z. The whenever you are pressing the Ctrl G, it will go to the find. It will go to the page. You can select your particular, enter the page number, page section, link, bookmark, the whatever I mentioned in your Word page. However you are pressing that one, you'll be go to that particular line numbers. However you are pressing the line numbers, entering, that will be used for the shortcut keys of the G. And next shortcut key is Ctrl H. In Ctrl H, they have 2 points. One is used for replace function in MS Word, and another point, open history in internet browser. We'll go to the first point, used for replace function in MS Word. In MS Word, however you are pressing the Ctrl H, it will display the replace. It will go to the replace. Whenever you are using wherever your computer is there, you want to computers, and you go to the find. It will replace it all. The press it OK. It will show the replace the whatever your particular word. It will go to the replace. And another one point you are using in Control H. In browser, you can press the Control H. It will go to the history. The whatever you are opening in your browser, it will fetch the data of history you using the Control H. And next shortcut key is on Control I. Control I are using the italics in highlighted sections. The Control I you are using the whatever in Word, the whatever you have selected the particular word, if you press the Control I, it will make a italic form. Here, the however you select the particular word, if you have pressed the Control I, it will make a italic. Next shortcut key is Control J. In the J, they are using two types. One will be justify paragraph alignment. Another one, open downloads in internet browser. In Word, you can justify paragraph alignment. The Control J, you can using the alignment of the paragraph. Whenever you are pressing the Control J, it will take alignment of the paragraph. In a browser, you are using Ctrl J. While you are using the J in your browser, once you press the Ctrl G, it will go to the download page. This is the shortcut key of Ctrl G. This is the shortcut key of Ctrl J. And next shortcut key is an Ctrl K. The Ctrl K you are using in insert hyperlink in MS Word. In MS Word, you can use the Ctrl K. In MS Word, you can use the shortcut key of Ctrl K. Whenever you are pressing the Ctrl K, it will display the hyperlink. You can insert the hyperlink of the MS Word. And next shortcut key is an Ctrl L. The Ctrl L is to justify the paragraph alignment. Also in Word, Ctrl L is also it is justify the paragraph of a particular word. If you press the Ctrl L, it is justify the particular paragraph of the your Word folder. The next shortcut key is in Ctrl M. The Ctrl M you are using the indent the paragraph. In MS Word, you can use the Ctrl M. It indent the paragraph like this. If you press the shortcut keys of Ctrl M, it is make a paragraph of the indent the paragraph in MS Word. And next shortcut keys of Ctrl N. The Ctrl N will be open new blank document. In MS Word, you are using the Ctrl N. It will opens the new blank Word file. Once you press the Ctrl N, it will what happen if it open the new blank Word file. And next shortcut key is in Ctrl O. The Ctrl O is using purpose of open the options. In MS Word, the Ctrl O is using whenever you are pressing the Ctrl O, it will opens the your particular folder document. And next shortcut key is in using Ctrl P. The Ctrl P using open the print window. In MS Word, you are using the Ctrl P. The Ctrl P is working as a, if you give the print page, the particular word page you want to print, you can press a Ctrl P. The next shortcut key is Ctrl Q. The Ctrl Q are using align the selected paragraph to the left. In Word, you are using the Ctrl Q. The align the particular line to left. Okay, you can press the Ctrl Q. It will be align the left. The next shortcut key is in Ctrl R. The Ctrl R you are using align the selected text or line to the right. In Word, you are using the Ctrl R. What will happen? Whenever you are pressing the Ctrl R, it will align the left side of the word. And next shortcut key is an Ctrl S. The Ctrl S you are using to save any document. In Word file, you are using the Ctrl S. Whenever you are pressing the Ctrl S, you can save the particular Word file. In Word file, you can press the Ctrl S. You can save the particular file. And next shortcut key is an Ctrl T. In Ctrl T, therefore you are used for a hanging indent in MS Word and another point to open a new tab in internet browser. In Word, you are hanging the control. In Word file, you are using the Ctrl T in hanging your particular word. In browser, you are pressing the Ctrl T. It will opens the new tab of your in browser. And next shortcut key is an Control U. The Control U, they have made the two types. They are also used in MS Word. In MS Word, you can use underline highlighted section in MS Word. Another one, the open source page of the internet browser. In MS Word, you are using the Control U. You have selected the particular word like this. You have selected in all word. If you press the Control U, it will go to the underline of the you have selected the particular word. If you selected the whole para, if you click the Control U, it whole paragraphs will be get the underline. That is the shortcut key of you are using Control U. In a browser, you are using the Control U, and next shortcut key is an Control V. The control we are used for the paste. In Word, you can use the Ctrl V. If you have selected the particular content of that in Word, if you want to paste it again, you can use the Ctrl V. It will display the many type of whatever you have content pasted. It will be using Ctrl V. You can paste it. And next shortcut key is an Ctrl W. The Ctrl W will be used for closing a window command and used for closing a tab in browsing. In Word, you can use the Ctrl W. It will be close the particular window. The what content you are opening. If you press the Ctrl W, it will be close. In browser, if you want to remove in particular, you can close the browse. And next another shortcut key is an Ctrl X. The Ctrl X is used for cut selected text. In Ctrl X you are used for a cut selected text. In Word you can use the Ctrl X. Whatever you have selected the particular content of your in text, you want to remove this one, you can press Ctrl X. It will be removed. That purpose we are using the shortcut keys and Ctrl X. And next shortcut keys and Ctrl Y. The what purpose you are using the Ctrl Y? The undo and redo. The features let you remove or repeat a single or multiple typing actions. That purpose you are using the Ctrl Y. It will Ctrl Y and Ctrl Z as remaining same. The Ctrl Y will be what purpose you are using? Undo. The whatever you have made the changes in Word, you can use the Ctrl Y. Once you press the Ctrl Y, it will display. I'll make a change on this one. I give the enter here. I'll make the Ctrl Y. It will changes. And next shortcut key is an Ctrl Z. The both Ctrl Y and Ctrl Z are working same. The Ctrl Z will be redo. The whatever you make the changes in Word, whatever changes in Word in particular file, you can make a Ctrl Z. It will be redo. It will remaining keep it as same as your previous page. That purpose you are using the Ctrl Z. So these are the shortcut keys of A to Z using a control. So kindly go through the complete video. You will get understand.